Imagine this. You're in the middle of an intense video call for work, juggling tabs in your browser, and suddenly everything freezes. Your screen lags, the audio stutters, and you're left staring at a spinning wheel of doom. Sound familiar? That's your computer's brain, the CPU, crying out for help. But what if I told you that picking the right one could make your machine feel like it's on steroids? Today, we're diving into why the processor matters way more than you think, and how to choose one that won't let you down. Stick around, because by the end, you'll never buy a computer the same way again. All right, let's break it down like we're chatting over coffee. Picture your CPU as the master chef in a bustling kitchen. Your apps and files are the ingredients, and the recipes are the instructions flying in from your programs. A sluggish chef, that's a weak CPU, fumbles around, chopping one veggie at a time, making everything take forever. But a powerhouse chef? They're juggling multiple dishes, prepping salads while the main course simmers, and dinner's on the table in record time. That's the magic of a solid processor. It executes commands super fast, so your apps launch instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and your whole setup just hums along. Now, when you're shopping, you'll see all these buzzwords thrown at you. Clock speed? That's like the chef's chopping speed, measured in gigahertz. Higher numbers often mean quicker work, but it's not the whole story. An older, high-speed model might still get outpaced by a newer, smarter one because of better design. Then there's cores. Think of them as extra hands in the kitchen. 2 cores handle basic stuff like checking emails or browsing the web without breaking a sweat. Bump it to 4, and you're good for everyday chaos like streaming music while editing docs. 6 or 8? Now we're talking gaming or photo tweaks without hiccups. And if you're into heavy lifting like video editing or 3D modeling, go for a 10 cores. It's like having a full kitchen staff. Don't forget threads. These are like secret tricks that let each core multitask even better. Tech like hyperthreading doubles the efficiency, so a 4-core setup acts like 8. It's a game changer for running a bunch of apps at once without your system throwing a tantrum. Brands? Intel and AMD are the big players, like Coke and Pepsi in the tech world. Intel shines in snappy single tasks and saving battery life, while AMD often gives you more bang for your buck, especially for gaming or juggling workloads. No need for brand wars. Just pick what fits your wallet and what you do daily. Matching a CPU to your life is key. If you're just surfing the net or firing off emails, a basic model like an entry-level Intel or AMD will do fine. Students or remote workers juggling Zoom and spreadsheets? Step up to a mid-range option. Gamers and creators aim higher for that seamless flow. And pros rendering videos or building virtual worlds? Go all out with top-tier power. But watch out for pitfalls. Lots of folks chase big numbers, thinking a fancy i7 label guarantees speed, but an outdated one could lag behind a fresh mid-tier chip. Or they skimp too much and end up with a clunker that chokes on simple tasks. Pro move. Always hunt for real reviews online. Just search the model with benchmark and scan for quick takes on how it performs in real scenarios. So, there you have it. The CPU isn't just tech jargon, it's the heartbeat of your digital life. Get it right and everything clicks. But we've only scratched the surface here. What if your current setup is secretly sabotaging your productivity? Or what hidden gems in processor tech could supercharge your next build? To unlock the full scoop with real examples, benchmarks, and insider tips, grab my book, Buy the Brain, Not the Brand. Buy it from the link in the description, and you'll be the one schooling your friends on tech. If this sparked your curiosity, hit like, subscribe for more breakdowns, and drop in the comments. What's your biggest computer frustration? See you next time.